Making a matcha latte is one of my favourite morning rituals, and I see the process of taking a few minutes to myself to make my matcha almost like an act of self-care. So today I'm showing you exactly how I make my matcha latte every morning. But first, what is matcha? Matcha is a powder made from green tea leaves. It's packed with antioxidants, and the caffeine is released at a much slower rate than in coffee, thanks to an amino acid called L-theanine. I love taking a frothy matcha latte outside and sitting on the balcony, weather permitting, to enjoy a few peaceful moments to myself. I hope you guys give matcha a try, and if you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button, and I'll see you back here with another video next Friday.